Hello. Here's my first English video in a voice conversation. I can't believe I'm making an English corner of my channel because it's primarily in French, right? So I can know if you can search it and find it. But congratulations and thank you very much. Thanks you if you find this because I want feedback on my pronunciation. Because in my video in French, I'm learning to pronunciate English voice pronunciation in a very good way, the words. Because in French it's very different to one in English, but I'm already fluent in English, but I never had to do a voiceover. So I think it's a good occasion to challenge myself in 2024 because I want to really expand and grow my channel. So thank you to watch this video and give me feedback. So it's an English version of my first video of the Anker. It's a headphone. The Anker Soundcore Life to Neo. I did this video of my child in French, so I will do it in English now. So one of the concern I had about the Anker, it was the comfort because it's my first time to use headphones. I had AirPods and the likes, so I didn't want to have my head squished. So it's really funny to have a headphone, but it's really, I can say that. So it really matched my expectations because it's really comfortable to, even if it's in plastic, it's really comfortable for 2 hours or 4. So it didn't have a stain of sweat, so it's really comfortable, and it's black. So even if we have traces of sweat, you can see it. In the second part, I want to talk about autonomy of the battery. The battery life is simply excellent. I never felt so free in my battery life, even with my phone. Here in this headphone, you have 5-minute charge and 60 hours of battery life. It's incredible. I never thought about that. So I never thought you found in a month a need to charge it. So it came with 50% of battery life in the beginning, and I passed 1 week without need to charge it. It's really incredible. So it's my first time that I experimenting a full charge battery life. So I can make a follow-up video about that later, but at the moment of this video, I'm filming this video is not yet discharged. So we will check it later. In the tree, in the first section, this sound because it's a headphone, so the sound is very important. It's a mid range headphone, so the sound it's not of quality. I'm not an expert in sound in headphones in general. It's my first headphone, so there is an application in the Play Store and the App Store to accommodate the sound as you like. So there is a bass button, a bass hub button. It's a quality in the Soundcore lineup. So it makes the job right. Though you can simply appreciate your music without care. That's all. For does the sound leak? I can't speak on it because I didn't experiment it with person. So the headphone is very loud in your ear, but from my experience, it's really with very large parts, so your ear is in the pad. So I can't think of a way to leak, but I'm not the type of person who work in the library very often with a headphone on, so I can't speak of it properly. Size, the style in general, it's a really, really, it's a really good looking headphones. So it's not entirely black. It's headphone finishes with a matte texture to it and a glossy texture on certain parts. So it's not entirely black matte. So it's really comfortable to use, but also stylish in a black way. I can't speak on it. You can view it in the video. So the finishes are very good for the price point, I think. The Soundcore technology is really good for me, who was not first in this sound type field. I worked to hear my music and my videos, that's all. So if you need a more precise headphone, this might not be the best choice. You can have other choices who are more expensive, but for this one, it works well for me. So how is the end of this video? I really appreciate you checking this video because it's my first English voiceover. I really hope my pronunciation is really understandable. I want your feedback on it, really, really. And you can check my other videos if you speak French on my channel. But this English corner is here to stay, I think. So, yeah. So, bye and subscribe if you like. Check my other videos, but we are in French. So, really appreciate your tour here. Thank you very much in the comments. And see you next time. Bye.